Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Online. I'm Tommy, and I'm thrilled to start another powerful session with you. Today, we're continuing the 30-day Think and Speak Challenge. Stop translating, start thinking in English. If you followed the 30-day shadowing challenge, you've trained your mouth and pronunciation. Now, this playlist trains a different superpower, turning real life into natural English, without translation. Here's the promise for today. After learning 60 new sentences, you'll be able to describe a complete natural day in English, from sunrise to bedtime, confidently and fluently. Many learners freeze when asked, "What did you do today?" Not anymore. I've organized everything into clear sections with visuals in mind, so you link images directly to meaning. When you see the picture, the English comes instantly. No translation detour. How to use this lesson. First learning round. Look at text plus images while listening to me. Second practice round. Look only at images and listen, no text. Advanced round. Turn off sound, look at images, and describe them in your own words. I'll say each sentence 3 times so you can repeat or shadow along with me. The magic happens when we turn these 60 simple lines into one smooth story. Ready to rewire your brain? Let's stop translating and start thinking in English. Section 1. Daily Flow Essentials. Master your day from sunrise to moonlight. I wake up before my alarm. I wake up before my alarm. I wake up before my alarm. The room is still quiet. The room is still quiet. The room is still quiet. I stretch my arms slowly. I stretch my arms slowly. I stretch my arms slowly. Sunlight warms my face. Sunlight warms my face. Sunlight warms my face. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I open the window wide. I open the window wide. I open the window wide. Fresh air feels great. Fresh air feels great. Fresh air feels great. I write 3 intentions. I write 3 intentions. I write 3 intentions. I breathe in deeply. I breathe in deeply. I breathe in deeply. I brush my teeth gently. I brush my teeth gently. I brush my teeth gently. The mint wakes me up. The mint wakes me up. The mint wakes me up. I wash my face fresh. I wash my face fresh. I wash my face fresh. I enjoy a quick shower. I enjoy a quick shower. I enjoy a quick shower. Warm water relaxes me. Warm water relaxes me. Warm water relaxes me. I brew my morning coffee. I brew my morning coffee. I brew my morning coffee. The aroma fills the kitchen. The aroma fills the kitchen. The aroma fills the kitchen. I prepare a light breakfast. I prepare a light breakfast. I prepare a light breakfast. I slice some fruit. I slice some fruit. I slice some fruit. I eat slowly and mindfully. I eat slowly and mindfully. I eat slowly and mindfully. I check today's schedule. I check today's schedule. I check today's schedule. I reply to messages calmly. I reply to messages calmly. I reply to messages calmly. I choose a comfy outfit. I choose a comfy outfit. I choose a comfy outfit. These shoes feel perfect. These shoes feel perfect. These shoes feel perfect. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. Keys, phone, wallet, ready. Keys, phone, wallet, ready. Keys, phone, wallet, ready. I lock the door behind me. I lock the door behind me. I lock the door behind me. The sky looks clear. The sky looks clear. The sky looks clear. I walk to the train. I walk to the train. I walk to the train. The platform is crowded. The platform is crowded. The platform is crowded. The train arrives on time. The train arrives on time. The train arrives on time. I find a seat. I find a seat. I find a seat. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I learn something new. I learn something new. I learn something new. I smile at a stranger. I smile at a stranger. I smile at a stranger. I start work with focus. I start work with focus. I start work with focus. I write my top tasks. I write my top tasks. I write my top tasks. I answer important emails. I answer important emails. I answer important emails. Our meeting starts promptly. Our meeting starts promptly. Our meeting starts promptly. We brainstorm fresh ideas. We brainstorm fresh ideas. We brainstorm fresh ideas. Everyone shares their thoughts. Everyone shares their thoughts. Everyone shares their thoughts. I take clear notes. I take clear notes. I take clear notes. I enjoy lunch at noon. I enjoy lunch at noon. I enjoy lunch at noon. I walk a little outside. I walk a little outside. I walk a little outside. The breeze refreshes me. The breeze refreshes me. The breeze refreshes me. I finish a big task. I finish a big task. I finish a big task. I feel proud and calm. I feel proud and calm. I feel proud and calm. I tidy my desk. I tidy my desk. I tidy my desk. I sign off at 5. I sign off at 5. I sign off at 5. I message a friend. I message a friend. I message a friend. I stop by the market. I stop by the market. I stop by the market. I pick ripe tomatoes. I pick ripe tomatoes. I pick ripe tomatoes. I buy bread and eggs. I buy bread and eggs. I buy bread and eggs. I greet the friendly cashier. I greet the friendly cashier. I greet the friendly cashier. I head home smiling. I head home smiling. I head home smiling. The sunset colors the sky. The sunset colors the sky. The sunset colors the sky. I cook a simple dinner. I cook a simple dinner. I cook a simple dinner. I play soft music. I play soft music. I play soft music. I write a short journal. I write a short journal. I write a short journal. I go to bed grateful. I go to bed grateful. I go to bed grateful. Incredible! 60 fresh sentences mastered. You just trained your mouth, your ears, and your brain to connect images directly to English. Now, go back through the images, turn off the audio, and describe every single moment in your own words. Notice how many lines flow naturally. Now, let's transform those 60 sentences into one flowing story. My day, a smooth story. Every morning, I wake up before my alarm. The room is still quiet, and sunlight warms my face as I stretch my arms slowly. I make my bed neatly, drink a glass of water, and open the window wide. Fresh air feels great. I write 3 intentions and breathe in deeply to start calm and strong. I brush my teeth gently. The mint wakes me up. I wash my face, enjoy a quick shower, and feel relaxed under the warm water. In the kitchen, I brew my morning coffee and the aroma fills the room. I prepare a light breakfast, slice some fruit, and eat slowly and mindfully. Next, I check today's schedule and reply to messages calmly. I choose a comfy outfit. These shoes feel perfect. I pack my bag, keys, phone, wallet, ready. I lock the door behind me and smile at the clear sky. I walk to the train. The platform is crowded, but the train arrives on time and I find a seat. I listen to a podcast, learn something new, and even smile at a stranger. At work, I start with focus and write my top tasks. I answer important emails, and our meeting starts promptly. We brainstorm fresh ideas. Everyone shares their thoughts while I take clear notes. At noon, I enjoy lunch and take a short walk outside. The breeze refreshes me. In the afternoon, I finish a big task. I feel proud and calm. I tidy my desk and sign off at 5, then message a friend. On the way home, I stop by the market, pick ripe tomatoes, and buy bread and eggs. I greet the friendly cashier and head home smiling. The sunset colors the sky. At home, I cook a simple dinner and play soft music. Later, I write a short journal, reflect on the day, and go to bed grateful. It's a full, balanced day. Clear, simple English from start to finish. See how it flows? No complicated grammar, no translation, just everyday moments connected by natural English. Practice this daily and your English thinking will speed up and feel effortless. Commitment time. Practice with this video every day. Use the images to connect meaning. Speak out loud. Keep it simple and consistent. Give me 30 days and your daily storytelling will become automatic. I've seen it happen again and again, and it will happen for you. Are you ready to commit? Comment, Tommy, I'm ready to think in English and speak in English. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for daily practice, and I'll see you in the next episode with new vocabulary and situations. Think English, speak English, live English. Your English thinking brain starts now. I believe in you.